The Rand McNally TND Tablet 85, built with Rand Navigation 2.0. With upgraded mapping and improved routing, the TND Tablet 85 routes using truck-specific data and Wi-Fi connected services, such as real-time traffic, dynamic weather overlays, three-dimensional buildings and landmarks, current fuel prices, on-screen alerts, all with a modern, clean interface. Plus, the TND Tablet 85 has all new hardware, bright, high-resolution display, powerful 4,000 milliamp hour battery, and a loud 2-watt speaker. Heat-resistant up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. A directional dash cam that records the road straight ahead, and a strong magnetic mount. Powered by a hexa-core processor, the tablet is quicker, smarter, and smoother. The TND Tablet 85 with Rand Navigation 2.0. For your truck, your business, your life. For your truck, your business, your life.